In this video, I'll show you how to download Asana desktop app. So to get started, go ahead and open asana.com. Sign into your account and then you'll get redirected into this section. So in here, go ahead and click on download desktop app. So once you click on this, the downloading of the executable file will start. So you'll find that here. So make sure to wait for this to be downloaded and then click on that folder button at the right side of that to be able to open that on the folder. And then in here, click on the setup or executable file, and then that will allow you to confirm the installation of this to your device. So once this starts installing into your device, you'll find this pop up on your screen. So wait for this to be done and then make sure to allow Asana to be installed on your device if you do have a firewall. So after you have actually allowed that, you'll be able to open the desktop app of Asana. So make sure to sign into your account in here and you can go ahead and proceed with your task using Asana. And that is how you can basically download Asana desktop app. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.